Welcome, fellow travelers. Are you ready for your next backpacking adventure? Today, we'll share some top tips for successful backpack travel. First, choose the right backpack. Find one that fits your body well and is comfortable and durable. It should be able to carry all your essentials. Remember, pack light. Only bring what you absolutely need. Roll your clothes to save space and opt for multi-purpose items whenever possible. Plan your itinerary, but also be flexible. Have a general idea of where you're going, but embrace unexpected adventures and changes in your plan. When packing, place your most crucial items at the top or in easy-to-reach compartments. Avoid rummaging through your bag every time you need something. Don't forget travel insurance. It's a lifesaver in emergencies, covering medical expenses and lost belongings. Ensure peace of mind during your journey. Learn basic phrases of the local language. It can help you connect with people and navigate foreign lands. It also shows respect for the local culture. Keep important documents safe. Make copies of your passport, ID, and other essentials. Store them separately or keep digital copies on a secure cloud service. Stay hydrated and nourished. Drink enough water and eat well to stay healthy. While exploring local street food, balance it with nutritious options. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Try the local cuisine, interact with locals, and respect their customs and traditions. Happy travel!